Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I cook this mushroom. I'm cooking mushroom and some string bean. So I'm going to use one small onion, just cloves of garlic there, and then I will season it. Just in case you are new here, just let you know you're welcome, and I'm happy to have you. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe, and it's all about positive comment. Well, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start preparing our things. First, I'm going to do, just going to get my onion ready. And then I'm going to set that aside. So next, I'm going to cut these green beans because I want them small. So I will cut them about like this. So that should be all right. So next, I'm going to slice these mushrooms. Thing is, you can cut these however you prefer them. You can do like this, or you can just cut them like this. I bought these the other day and I have them in the fridge, so you have to cook them, otherwise they spoil. You see this look like it's a lot, but once you start cooking it, it's going to shrink down very fast. So now we have our pan on. I'm going to use some olive oil. It might look like it's a lot, but it's not a lot. And I'm going to add a bit of butter to this. It's just for flavor. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the onion and the beans. So instead of me blanching them or using water, I just start them off in the pot like this because I want them to be a bit crunchy. So what I'm doing now, I'm just sweating it off. So in here, I have some all-purpose season and also with some black pepper, bit of salt. Just gonna go ahead season this. So just take your time, sweat it down. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a mushroom in. So soon this will sweat down and reduce. Go ahead, bit of season again over it. Just want to gently turn it. You know, cooking is hard and it's a technique. You know, especially when you're cooking good food, always take long. Look at that. Everything coming together now. So this is almost finished. What I'm going to do is lovely coriander. I'm just going to cut them up, sprinkle over it. So now this is ready. Turn the gas off. Look at this. This is what you call a real deal. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Look at that. So healthy and beautiful.